So in this video, we're going to do some additional configuration to VS Code. I'm going to start out by saying that everything in this video is optional, but I'm going to show you how I set up my environment. First, if you want to use the same color scheme that I'm using throughout the course, you can do that by coming over to the gear in the corner and clicking on this, and then you come up to color theme. And when you click on this, you'll get this window up here, and I'm using dark plus default dark. So you just select that, and that will give you this color theme. And also throughout the course, this side window, I'm going to keep this closed so we have more room on the screen for other things. And you do that by coming up to this button in the corner, and you click on that, and it will close that side window. If you want to open it again, this is just a toggle. You can open it and close it. So one of the other things I'm going to do is I'm going to move this output window to the right. And you do that by just coming up here, right-clicking and saying Move Panel Right. And that makes it where the output is going to come out to the right of the code. And that makes it a lot easier for me to zoom in on the code and the output at the same time. So it's a good thing for teaching purposes, but you may want to keep the window on the bottom. So one of the other things I want to change is this. Every time I run this, it's going to print Hello World again and again. And what I want it to do is to clear the console and then print this out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move this window over so we have a little bit more room, and I'm going to come down to the gear on the lower left again and click on this and come up to settings. So you'll want to go to extensions. This may be closed like this, and then you'll have to open this and then scroll down to where it says Run Code Configuration. That is for Code Runner. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click this checkbox that says Clear Previous Output. So when I click on this and I go back to our Hello World, now when I run this, it'll just show up once. And if I run it again, it will clear the console and just show it once. One of the other things I want to change is I don't want to have all of this and all of this with my output. I just want the Hello World. So I'm going to move this over again, come back over to our settings, and then we scroll down and we uncheck this box where it says Show Execution Message. So I'll come back over to our Hello World, and I'll move this over. And now when I run this, it just prints out Hello World. So it's a lot cleaner and is better for teaching purposes, but you can leave that other output on the screen if you would like. So those are the changes that I made to my configuration, and you can do that with yours if you would like, but as I said, that is completely optional. So now let's get into the course.